In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to provide custom link tracking per affiliate in just a few simple steps. If you've been looking for a fast, straight to the point guide on this, you're in the right place. Stick around to the end because I'll also be giving you access to an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using to set all of this up, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. To get started, you'll need a link tracking software. I've tried several and the one we're using today has all the features you need, and I've got a special offer for you if you want to follow along. First, let's talk about why you need custom link tracking per affiliate. It's simple. Without it, tracking individual affiliate performance becomes a guessing game. You won't know which affiliates are driving traffic and which are not. Custom link tracking lets you know exactly where your sales are coming from, and that's crucial for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Now let's dive into the steps. The first thing you'll need to do is create a new affiliate tracking link. Head over to your software's dashboard and look for the Create New Link or Generate Link button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to assign a unique tracking ID for each affiliate, which is essential for tracking individual performance. Once you've selected Create New Link, you'll enter the URL you want to track. This is usually your landing page or product page. Then you'll add your affiliate's unique identifier, usually a name or ID number. This ensures that every click on that link will be associated with that specific affiliate. The next step is to customize the tracking settings. This is where you can add things like UTM parameters, tracking pixels, and other custom tracking variables. Depending on your software, you may also be able to set up conversion tracking so that you know when an affiliate's link results in a sale. After you've set everything up, the software will generate your custom affiliate link. This is the link you'll share with your affiliate. It's now ready to track their clicks, conversions, and performance. Make sure they know to use this specific link or else the tracking won't work. Now that you've set up custom link tracking per affiliate, you'll want to monitor the performance. Go back to your software's dashboard and look for the Affiliate Reports section. Here you'll be able to see detailed reports on how each affiliate is performing. You'll get to see which links are driving the most traffic, which ones are converting the best, and where you might need to improve your affiliate program. And here's the key takeaway. Tracking your affiliates with custom links is the most effective way to measure performance. It gives you transparency and insight into how your affiliates are contributing to your business. Without this level of detail, you're essentially flying blind. So let's quickly recap. First, create a custom tracking link for each affiliate in your software. Then, customize the settings to include UTM parameters and conversion tracking. Afterward, monitor their performance via the reports section. Lastly, remember that providing custom link tracking per affiliate is essential for understanding and optimizing affiliate performance. Before you go, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we use today. You can find the link in the description below, and this offer is only available to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.